Hey guys, how are you doing? It's Gavin here from the Growing Younger team, and this exercise is a hip buck tutorial. Now, hip buck exercise is very, very important for strengthening the glutes, which are the bum muscles, okay? The glutes are the biggest muscle in the body, and they're often the most weakest in most people. This can lead to lower back pain, really bad core instability, and this very, very simple exercise is going to help you strengthen your glutes so that you can basically do more things in daily life, okay? Very, very important to strengthen these muscles. So what you're going to do, you're going to lay on the floor, quite simply, and you're going to lie on your back, all right? You're going to bend your knees to about 90 degrees of this joint there, arms by your side, and what you're going to do, you're going to drag your feet into the floor. So as you do that, you see my body move slightly forward, and you're just going to hold that tension in the back of your legs. Put your head back on the floor and lift up your hips as high as you can. And you're going to feel the hamstrings and your glutes work all in one go. Slowly come down, touch the floor, and come straight back up. Hold it for a second, count 1, 2, 3, 4, and lift to the top again. Alright, very, very simple exercise, and one that can, can make a huge difference with your lower back pain. If, however, this exercise is a little bit too easy for you and you have access to a dumbbell or a resistance plate, then you can absolutely use that, and I'll show you right now. So if you've got a weight plate like this, all you're going to do is literally the same thing, put it on your knees, lie back on the floor. With the palms of your hands, just hold the plate further along your knees. Grip in with your feet again, and then again lift up to the top. Hold it for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch, and come straight back up. And that is the hip buck.